Oh, got the goods. Got a few here. Good morning. I am dying because I just did a merry-go-round workout, which actually needs to sit down. I'm shaking. I've been getting these health shots and we've been doing them a couple times a week. I am shaky. I literally cannot walk down the stairs properly. Can you see the sweat dripping off me? The camera's gonna die though. These are apple and cucumber. Morning! I did vlog yesterday because why didn't I vlog the rest of yesterday? I was charging my camera. I did go get my nails done. And for some inspo that I saw on Instagram, I'm always the one in there that's like picky about what I get. But I'm very appreciative. I can have some grapefruit for breakfast because I forgot I had this. And I will literally cut the thing in half and then scoop out the little segments in the spoon. Apparently not everyone does this. Friends say that's a weird way of eating it, but that's how I've learned to eat grapefruit. I hope it's still good. It's been here a little while. Tell me what you think about the nails. Do we like them? No workout this morning because because I am hurting. I've struggled to walk down the stairs. I'm also going to make myself some collagen because I've run out of collagen that I use for my coffee. Do that too.
I'm here and ready to commit, but your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know if you're gonna let me go. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in things every day? 'Cause I'm in this until the end, so just be real and don't pretend, 'cause I can love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. Bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. Bring me flowers, flowers, flowers.
It's now about, excuse the attire, it's not that warm, so I put my dressing gown on. I'm watching Squid Game on Netflix, which is very interesting. Kind of gives me Black Mirror vibes, so if anyone loved that series, then give it a go. I'm gonna make some noodles because it's now 11 o'clock and all I've had is a grapefruit and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna make some like pumped up noodles. Throw in some veggies, tofu, some dumplings.
I tell myself it's okay to feel lonely, pretending I don't really care. Just throws me into arms of people who don't notice whether or not I'm there. I try my hardest not to get nervous. Don't wanna be a shark in the water. Still learning how to live on purpose. Maybe all of this is karma. Why am I going under? I'm praying I can turn this thing around. I'm over my head and I'm out of my mind. I wish I was an anchor, but I'm floating, floating. And another tidal wave is coming, treading water. It's gonna sink me down to the bottom. Chosen, chosen. I know I'll rise to the surface again, but another one is coming. Now you're just being cruel. Is this happening on purpose? I'm scarred from the years of my youth. Is starting over ever worth it? Now I'm treading water lost at sea. The universe is testing me. Can I make it on my own in this place? Maybe I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Why am I going under? I'm praying I can turn this thing around. I'm over my head and I'm out of my mind.
Morning guys, it is 6:30. Didn't really sleep very well. So the boy is going home today and I always send him home baked goods. And so I'm going to do some 6:30 in the morning baking. I'm going to make some blueberry muffins. So I'm going to look up a recipe now. Shit, I don't have eggs. I'm going to go quickly get some eggs because I can't make these without work, and he does leave, well, his coach in the morning, but I mean, I'm up. Might as well get these done. You can't even see. Yeah, definitely need some eggs. Let's pop out quickly and get some eggs. I'm gonna use the Paul Hollywood's recipe, which is on BBC, because the good food recipe does definitely seem to be the healthy one. We don't want healthy muffins. No. Let's go. I feel like I look like a crazy person going out this early just to get some eggs. But it is starting to feel colder. It's definitely feeling fresh out. Got my morning voice. So let's start this. For at least an hour in the fridge. Looking rough. You guys died earlier while I was doing the baking, so let's do a little taste test. I've got a few here. I sent the rest off with the boy. Pick a blueberry. One with a few blueberries in there. Ooh, what it looks like. Does look good. Now I did add, I'll put the recipe down below, but I always put brown sugar on the top so it's a little bit caramelized. That's actually really good. Oh yeah. Success. Let me not talk with my mouth full anymore. I'm gonna go finish it.